Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my April Boxy Charm unboxing. I'm super stoked for this box. If any of you saw the spoilers from last month for this month's box, we're supposed to be getting a full Colourpop palette in here, one of 5, so I'm super stoked about that. Colourpop is one of my favorite brands to purchase from. They have some amazing shadows. For those of you who don't know much about Boxy Charm is a subscription service that you get once a month. It is $21 a month to receive it, and you do get 4 to 5 full-size items in there. I absolutely love this subscription. It is by far my favorite, and I have found some pretty amazing favorites in these boxes, which are favorites that I would have never discovered if it were not for Boxy Charm. If you purchase your boxes in increments of longer time frames, so like 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you get your boxes for cheaper. I did purchase 1-year subscription of Boxy Charm and therefore get my boxes for like $19 a month, something around that line, like $19.75 I think is what I pay. So with that being said, let's just open the box, see what's inside. So when you first open the box, this is what you see. It is a card. This card typically will tell you what the theme of the box is, as well as what the prices are of the items in here, and I am going to set that aside for now. It's covered with foam so as to protect your items, or hopefully protect them, and then this is what we have inside. So the first item I see in here is this Tartist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Comes in this box, and the color I received is what is that? Stunner. Let's open it up and check it out. I'm really excited. Tarte is one of my favorite brands. I believe this in particular is from the Make Believe in Yourself collection. The only reason why I think that is because of the color scheme on the lid and on the box. I do have the palette from this collection. So it has just a normal tip for a liquid highlighter, and that's what it looks like coming out. And that's the highlight. That is pretty. Let's get it into the shade so that you guys can see some more of that. Sorry, the sun is thinking it wants to go down at this time frame. I'm always filming at the most inopportune times for sun coming through my windows, it seems. So that's exciting. I love Tarte. They are one of my favorite brands, so I'm excited to try that. The next item I see in my box is this. I think it's pronounced DC. I could be wrong, but it is a high definition liquid lip. It doesn't say what color it is, which is very strange. Let's open it up. This is a pretty big liquid lipstick. It doesn't say its shade on the bottle anywhere, but it is pretty large. It is 0.23 ounces, and the typical liquid lip is 0.11, I believe. So I have, just for reference purposes, an ABH liquid lipstick here. This is its size. And this one is a DC, and you guys can really tell on the bottom how much bigger it is. Granted, there looks to be quite a bit of like packaging space in there, but it's also quite a bit bigger. So it doesn't list the color on the packaging, which is aggravating. I don't like that at all, but we are going to swatch it. That's pretty. It's kind of a mauve brown, not a bad color. Not mad at that at all. It is rather glossy. It's not necessarily a matte color. I'd be interested to see if it dries down at all. See if it becomes matte, but it does say high definition liquid lip. It doesn't say whether it's glossy or matte or anything, so we will see. It does say that it's luxurious, clean, creamy, and long wearing. Moisturizes and hydrates the lips while providing the full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator. It's very weird that it doesn't have a shade on it. I wonder if it's the only shade that they offer. I'll have to look it up and see, and I'll put a comment in here and let you guys know. But super interested in that, trying that. I do like me some liquid lipsticks, even though I'm a hot mess putting on lipstick. The next thing I have in here is the Brow Gal Instant for Brown Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. This is what it looks like. So it appears that it is a wand applicator like a mascara. I just bought a wand applicator. I think it's Maybelline Tattoo Studio is what it's called. It was in my Ulta haul that you guys hopefully watched. If not, I'll link that video up here for the 21 Days of Beauty Ulta haul. I'm not really sure about mascara wands in my brows. I've never used a wand before in my brows. I've only ever used pencils. I have, just because of a sample video that I did, used a pomade by Ebates. So I'm interested to try these to see how they work out. My daughter also gets Boxy Charm and tried out hers and she loved it. So I'm interested to see how that works. The next thing I see is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. So this is a very amazing skincare item. I do love some Dr. Brandt skincare, but this is one of those kind of masks that you know, slather on your face and then wash off, which I'm not particularly fond of, to be honest. But I'm willing to try it because it is a Dr. Brandt item, and I do love Dr. Brandt skincare. And you typically get some really great Dr. Brandt skincare in these Boxy Charm boxes. So that alone is worth it. That item probably is a $50 item or somewhere close to that for 1 ounce of product. So the next thing I got, which is something I'm super stoked about because it was one of like 2 of the 5 palettes that I was willing to be happy about if I got it. Granted, I'd be happy with any palette. I mean, let's be real, I'm kind of a palette junkie. But the one I received is the My Little Pony palette. I'm so excited about this. It's kind of going to date myself here, but everybody here knows that I'm kind of old AF. My Little Pony was my jam when I was a kid, so I am so excited to have this palette. I love the box. I love it's got all the little ponies on it, and the back of the box does have all the shades and the shade names on them. So, and they're all named after ponies. So we opened up the box and, oh, this palette is so cute. Look at that. It kind of is a little kiddish, so like, that's the one downfall that it has, I guess, in addition to the fact that it does not have a mirror. But these colors, I'm really kind of excited about these colors. This one looks a little duochrome-y. So the colors here are Twilight, Firefly, Snuzzle, and Princess Sparkle. And then we have Applejack, Sky Dancer, Minty, and Flutterby. And then we have Butterscotch, Blossom, Starshine, and Bluebell. So really excited to try that palette. I am super stoked that I got the pony one. There was like 2 or 3 of the 5 that they had that I was going to be okay with getting. My daughter got Golden State of Mind, which was not one that I was particularly wanting, only because I've heard really poor reviews about it, but she seems to love it. So let's dig into the card. So this is different than their typical cards. This one opens up like this, and typically their cards are more like a postcard. So this is really cool, and on the back it has a 10% off orders on Tarte from April 15th to May 15th using the code AprilBoxy. And then it also has a VIP offer here to visit Sephora.com, search #PoresNoMore to access a special limited edition Pore Refiner Primer Bundle offer just for us. So that's exciting. Sorry about the lighting, guys. So we open up the card and it's got eye candy, which is the theme for this month. And these creators, I think these are Boxy babes, Boxy Charm ladies, and each one of these items in this box was one of their favorite items. So we have the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and this manufacturer retail price is $29. So that in and of itself pays for the box, even if you're paying full price for the box. The Colourpop My Little Pony palette was $16. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner, this guy, $47. The DC, I think I'm saying that right, you guys. If I'm not, I'm sorry. This high definition liquid lipstick, and it again does not say what color this is. That's so weird. This guy, retail price is $24, which is decent, considering this one that is much smaller is $21. That one was like twice the size for $3 more. And this Brow Gal Instant is worth $22. So overall, it looks like the total of this box is $138. So, I mean, that's a steal of a deal, you guys. For reals. We are talking $20. I paid $20 for this box and just got $138 worth of product. So, I mean, if you can beat that, by all means, let me know, because I would love to know where you're getting your makeup. Boxy Charm is an amazing subscription box, and if you want to subscribe to Boxy Charm, I do have a link down in my drop down box. It's just a referral code that gets me points. There's no money exchanged. It's not an affiliate code. It's just a plain old Charmers Boxy Charm referral code. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you'll want to give me a big thumbs up before you leave, and that you want to subscribe to my channel on your way out. I really hope to see more in the comments of my wonderful videos here on YouTube, and hope to have you as a part of my wonderful YouTube family. I just love you guys so much, and I thank you so much for stopping in and joining me for a few minutes out of your day, because God knows that you don't have to. So it warms my heart that you do, and I hope to see you in my future videos. Thank you so much for joining me again, guys, and until my next video, bye.